What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a box fan. I'm going to show you guys some fans from my collection. Here's all the fans in here, so I'll show you what I'm going to be cleaning today. I'm going to clean this one because it's got a stain, a little bit of a stain. I'm going to show you guys how to clean it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to clean it and this is got wet wipes here, but not too wet because it'll damage your fan motor. And I got this screwdriver, and that's a screwdriver because yeah, the box fan has 4 screws. So today I'm gonna get around and show you how to do it. First up, you need to do this is the unplug. Unplug this. So I'm gonna unplug the fan. Take it out. Alright, no power. No power. Alright, let's get right to work. Alright, let's get clean. Alright, let's get cleaning. All you have to do is have unplugged. Let me set down my camera. Show you guys how to clean it. Move right here. What you need to do is the cup. What you need is a cup so you don't lose screws. Let's go right here. Every box fan, every this has 4 screws. So all you need to do is remove them. So I get the right size. Like here, so let's get into move these. Let's remove those. You can see I have 4 screws because it's missing a screw because one of the screws is missing, but that's okay. One screw is missing, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it because it's well old. Alright. Screws, make those. Oh yeah, the fan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I'm sorry, I lied. So it's not like the internet. It has 6 screws. 2 screws on the side. Take it off. So this set has to do test runs. I'm gonna be clean it. Make sure all the screws are removed. Make sure please don't lose them because you'll need them to put it back on. 1 screw missing. 1 screw missing. This one's. Make sure this come off. It's a little rusty. Sam's a little rusty. I'm not cleaning that up. We're gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna be cleaning the plastic part up. I'm gonna be cleaning this plastic part up so you can use your fan again. So be careful when you clean it. Or to be careful when you clean it because you'll don't want your motor I need to get you a wipe. That's wet. Skip. Alright, let's get cleaning. I need to hold the fan, but inside won't move. And you, I don't want your fan blade to move. Clean that stain up. I'm not gonna clean up that rust because it'll be very difficult to clean. Because you want your fan to be clean and working well, perfectly. Alright. You have to clean those cobwebs. Not the metal. Please don't do the metal part. Please do not do the metal part because in metal, water will like rust the metal. So please don't do that. Don't do the metal because metal's like already rusted. Alright, so make sure we're all clean. Make sure we're all clean. Also, the side here, clean your box stand. You want it to be clean, not dirty. Keep it clean. Don't let them get dirty. Alright, let's get wipes done. It's time for your wipe. Because, as you can see, the fan, your fan, needs to be clean so you can use it. This fan has to do test runs because you need some wet wipes because you do not want it to be dirty. We're going to do it. Like, get these things. You have to be like, please be clean. I don't want it. You need to be clean. Because sand's like dirty. Because electricity makes, don't. We're going to get this thing, make sure it's unplugged. Don't want, can't have fan blades. So, can't have it, because the thing needs to be wet. Your fan has to be clean. Your fan has to be clean. I'm not going to be taking the back off, because that's the electrical part. All I'm going to do is to do in the back. All you have to do is to reach your tail back here so it doesn't so you don't have to unscrew that part. So you don't have to unscrew the back, only the front. You can only have so you get to deep cleaning. So you have to be you know how adults, so how you use poor adults. It's being an adult, everything. So I'm kind of a teenager. I got you bed sheets. So I'm a teenager now. I'm kind of a teenager. And helps a lot. Don't want so we're not gonna have to do that. This is a very hard part. And this is the hard part of cleaning your box in. Don't unscrew don't unscrew the back. So it's here. Don't unscrew the back, please. You don't unscrew. Do not wet, so it's wet enough. So, all you have to do. Also, you gotta clean your cover too. You have to get your cover clean. Only the plastic. Now leave this. Don't unplug this part. Do not unplug this part because you have to leave that part in, plugged in. So have your fan. Clean up those cobwebs in here. It's gonna be so clean. Whoops, no. Sorry. Sorry about that. Please don't bully. This one fast then. All you have to do, clean both covers. Alright, please clean both covers. Gotta roll. Clean both the covers. Clean both of your covers so that you don't, only your parents. So alright, so you have to do those tips like here, because being an adult, like, as you can see, being an adult is really rough, because it's like that, it's too hard, messy, it's really messy, way too messy, sucks, sorry, I didn't use that word. I did not use the F word. Sucks. Sorry about that. So you gotta use those wet wipes. Not too wet. Not too wet, because it'll stop the fan operate. You want this. You want your fan to operate, because you want it to operate. You want your fan to operate. Just unscrew the front. Cleaning the back, because that's the hardest part. Don't clean the back of this here. Clean this here. Clean the back. This is the cleanest back. It's the most difficult part. This is like, I just hate this part. Oh my god, I hate this part. Look at that. Look at that. That's done. Now it's time for it to clean. Not a good moment, because then it gets so much sense of dirt. Alright, now I'm back. So now it's time to get this towel to dry this off. Not too fast, sorry. Not too fast, because gotta be very careful when you clean it. Clean the back of the blades, that's the worst part. It's the worst, like. Yeah, worst is. This. That'll be clean. Got this thing, make it perfectly clean, because the settings have some rust. The settings have some rust, but only the plastic. Only the plastic. Just the plastic. Just the blades in. Just the outside. Part that doesn't get damaged by water. And not the part. Clean part. Alright, time for the back. Time for the back of the blades. Alright. It's like, oops, sorry. Missed this spot. It missed like a spot. Sorry to say. Wait, so this is like, so this is a ridiculous part of clean your fan. Have to clean, you have to keep them clean. It's like all that dust. It's like. Alright, I'm gonna get this ready. So and this thing, and we're gonna be about done. All right. Make sure you don't miss the spot. All right. Now it's time to put the cover back on. Now it's time to do is put this back on. All right. Make sure you guys have to like line it up. Have to like line it with your. Have to like line it. Like line it with your screws. Take one screw. Have to like line it where your screw is. Take one screw. Like one here. All right. Alright, let's get this ready. Alright. Then do the same thing. Alright, same thing with the other screws. Alright, make sure you do the same thing. Do the same. Whoops. Whoops, sorry. It's like how like. Alright, here we are. Look at that. So it looks super clean. Look how clean this is. Alright. Make sure to put in all the screws. Yes. So, forget this thing. Put this screw in, tighten them up. Make sure not too tight because it'll plastic will break, which you don't want. Because you have one of the screws to this, there are 2 screws left, because like I told you, one of the screws is like this. Alright. Have to like sides and all of them. Just go ahead and do all of them till there's 2 on the bottoms, because put both spine screws, because there's only one screw. Alright. Alright. So, here it is. Boom, look at that. All clean. So, like, don't worry about that part, because I need to get a new screw for that part. Boom. You are done. Boom. You are done. And boom, check it out. We're all done. You're all done. You're all done. Alright, let's go. Let's turn this on. Look at that. All clean it is. Give it a test. Boom. You're all clean. You're all clean. And look at that. Nice and, look how nice and clean. Look at that. This So awesome. So, look at that. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Not really easy, but look how easy it is. Had to clean your fan. Look at that. Look how clean it is, so yeah. Check this out. You're already clean now. Look at that. You cleaned your fan. Boom. You cleaned the box fan. Look how easy it's had to clean that box fan without it here. Now it's time for it to do test runs. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.